Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete our non-account related data in Dropbox. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to delete our non-account related data. At the top right next to the bell icon, as you can see a profile picture that is account. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Right from there, well, as you can see, lots and lots of options. But what you guys have to do is simply click on settings. Once you are in the settings page, as you can see, initially you will be in the general tab. There are lots of options, but we are not going to focus on that right now. What you guys need to do is simply click on this privacy tab right here. It's right next to refer a friend. Once you are in the privacy tab, as you can see, here is cookies. From here you can manage your cookies preferences, access your data, and at the bottom you can delete your data as well. That says delete your non-account related data, and right next to it you can find a button that says delete data. Click on the button right there and give your confirmation. Simply hit on submit, and guys, that is it. As you can see, we have submitted our request successfully. Dropbox will email us when it is ready. Once you receive the email, simply follow the prompts. It might take up to 30 days. And guys, that is it. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.